Hi, I am Akilan from 8C Sara Mediala Senior Secondary School. My project is about natural disaster prevention and rescue. Disaster is an event that causes catastrophe and chaos to man life and destruction to properties and monuments. The main types of disasters are classified into two types. They are man-made disasters and natural disasters. Today, I am going to explain about natural disasters. Natural disasters, why we need to know about them? Everyone has this question. To answer this question, natural disasters are naturally occurred and can cause massive destruction. We cannot prevent a natural disaster, but we can prevent ways to ultimately reduce the effect of these natural disasters, thus reducing the cost of man life. These natural disasters are very deadly, so we all need to act as a community in order to prevent these natural disasters and reduce their effect. The natural disasters that I am going to explain about is tsunami, earthquake, volcano and drought. In 2004, December 26, a major tsunami struck the coast of Tamil Nadu, which cost about 10,000 human lives. In order to prevent these natural disasters, we were not well aware of the tsunami then. But in order to prevent this in the future, we have to take steps in order to avoid it. In 2007, inquiries were set up in Hyderabad in order to alert if tsunami are ready to strike the coast. Tsunami occurs due to another natural disaster. It is known as earthquake. Earthquake occurs when tectonic plates of the earth collide with one another, going inside. This causes massive destruction to property. Earthquake causes tsunami. The earthquake model I have prepared an earthquake alarm in order to alert the people in case if an earthquake is coming. Next, another natural disaster I am going to explain about is drought. Drought occurs when water scarcity is present in the area. Due to this water scarcity, many humans and animals die here. When drought occurs in a place, the vegetation of the area decreases rapidly. In June 2019, our Chennai has announced day zero because four major water reservoirs had dried up completely. Because of the delay in rain in 2017 and 2018. Next is the volcano. Volcanic activity is very deadly as it is magma straight up coming through and vent. It releases huge smoke, ash and lava down the way. These volcanic activities may shake the earth, which causes the earthquake, and the earthquake causes the tsunami. The ways in which we can prevent these natural disasters, there can be many ways invented for it. I will be explaining it in my project. In this project, I am going to explain about what we have to do before the disaster, what we have to do during the disaster, what we have to do after the disaster. We should be well prepared, aware and ready for the disaster to strike. When the disaster comes out, we should prevent it. We cannot entirely prevent a disaster, but we can ultimately reduce the disaster when we act as a community. When we work together, we can significantly reduce the effect of natural is the disaster management process. Disaster management cycle. In my chart, I have prepared a disaster management cycle, which is preparedness, mitigation, disaster response, and recover. These are the steps which needed to be taken in order if a disaster occurs. And I have listed out the helpline number. This helpline number is announced by the state government of Tamil Nadu. In case of a disaster, having the right contacts can be life-saving. These numbers: state helpline 1070, district helpline 1077. In case if a disaster occurs, a person should call this helpline so that the government can help them reducing the effect of the disaster. Thank you. Have a nice day.